Now we're ready to start the rest of my design. What I want is something to leverage at the top, some sort of handle, and some sort of slot for the 10-cent coin to go into. So I'll come back to my bottle opener, and we're going to create a new sketch onto this back plane here. And now I can use this as a reference to vaguely map out what I want to do. So using construction lines, this is quite an organic way of doing things. I know I want something that's going to vaguely go up there, come over to here maybe, and then I need something for the 10-cent coin to go into, so maybe we just come down here. And then I think for the handle, I want it to kind of start maybe here and come down, maybe that far, get 90-degree turns everywhere, and get a 90-degree there, maybe it just comes up to there. Looks alright. So it's going to look vaguely like that. I also know I need some sort of coin to go in there, so I'm going to come up here to modify, change parameters, and I know that the 10-cent coin is 2 mil thick, and I looked it up. Coin diameter is 23.6 mil in diameter. So I'm going to draw in a rectangle because this is where it needs to go. I want coin thick there and coin diameter there. Might move it around. Let's leave a little bit of tolerance. This is a really nice quick way of mocking up a sketch. So now we're going to fill it out. We've got these lovely curves. The tool we use to make those curves is its spline tool. So, create spline, fit point spline. And now I can basically just put in little handles here and there. Remembering it doesn't really matter how closely I fit to my dimensions here, but that initial curve was just to give me an idea of what it might look like. Already you can see you've got these different handles that we can change the curve, and we can add more handles if you like. Hint, adding more handles makes it trickier to, and why don't we make this not a construction. And finish it off here, and up to here, and something like that, right? And I might flatten these bits out because I know that's going to have to leverage off there. And look, I think that's looking okay. I'll just move these up here, give a bit more of a handle shape. And this doesn't have to be as far down. But you can decide what yours is going to look like all on your own. And now we're going to extrude it out. And in the past we've gone in one direction. This time we're going to go symmetric. And I want it to come out so that it's a little bit more than the width of the bottle top. Knowing, of course, that the coin's got to be 23.6 mil. The last step is to put back in that slot. So I'm going to come over here, turn my sketch back on, E for extrude, and we're going to come out to coin diameter onto, because of course we're going to go symmetric, and we'll add a bit of a tolerance there, and there we have it. Right, you've now got your own mixed material bottle opener, done with splines, and using a reference made from a canvas.